You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is t greater than 25/8 greater than 31/8. Let's solve it step by step. Cancel out the negatives. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/8. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is t greater than 25/8 greater than 31/8.